Welcome! Today I'm showing how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into your Oppo A1K. First of all, go into your settings, then you scroll down and find additional settings, this one. Then go into device and privacy option, and here we got setup SIM card lock. So go into, and first option is lock SIM card. Now I got turn on, so click here to turn on. And for unblocking, you need to enter your SIM pin. So enter your pin, click OK in the top right corner, and that's it. We unlocked our SIM card. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.